What is up, YouTube? DJ K coming at you with a quick video checking out the Akai MPC expansion, the noise. And that's exactly what it sounds like on this particular instrument right here, noise. Complex Kingdom, Blippity, whatever that Blippity bass sounds retarded as hell. Some of these names they got for these sounds are crazy. I think Sonic Vox made these plugins, though. I think it kind of looks like it from the design of the plugin. It looks like they made them. Just going through a few of the sounds on here. Merp sound, whatever the hell that is. Let's see. Branched bass. $555 bass. That don't sound like a bass to me, man. It don't sound that like great, you know. Thumpkin, that's the name of that instrument right there. Skinny Square. Check this one out. Let's see what this sounds like. Skinny Bits. That's the name of this one here. You get the picture. I'm gonna let y'all go on this one because it's boring. That's why I'm gonna let y'all go. It's boring showing y'all these sounds. But anyway, this has been my short little video showing you guys the noise MPC expansion plugin. I guess it's usable. I guess some of the sounds you can use. You just gotta go through and find something that you feel, and maybe you can incorporate some of this stuff into your productions. Some of them I couldn't use, you know, but that's how it is with any plugin, you know. Every single sound in it, you won't be able to use every single one of them, or you may not want to because of how it sounds. So. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm just trying to drop a few vids this month. I'm trying to drop more videos, and well, from here on out. But I won't be doing strictly Akai MPC Renaissance and these plug-in videos. I'll be doing more than just that. So right now, that's all I feel like doing is just doing stuff like this. So that's the reason I'm doing it. And I'm thinking about buying a Akai Max 49 keyboard controller. If I do get it, I'll be doing an unboxing of it this week. Once I get it, I think I'm going to go ahead and buy it. I just want another controller, something bigger than the little M Audio that I got over there. It's real small. I mean, it is a 61 note keyboard, but it's just the stand that it's on. It don't even fit on the stand right. It be moving because it's so small. It's real thin. I just want something that'll fill the whole stand up, you know, that won't move around as much because that thing be moving. Alright, with that being said, I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for subscribing. DJ K is out.